welcome back to another great video from Hennessey. We are on the track as always, our Pennzoil Proving Grounds, and I am getting a massage right now. I'm in one of the 2019 Navigators that has perfect position seats, unreal interior, so impressive. I've done a review on one of these. So basically I'm in a stock one. One of our calibrators is in a modified one. It's got our HPE 600 package on it, and we're gonna do a little race, and obviously I'm gonna lose, but I really am interested to see how big the gap is. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens.